everyone, in today's video I'm going to walk you through how to use Discord stickers on mobile. Now depending on the server you are in, you can use some stickers. Some stickers are general while some are server based. So you click on that and then you will see stickers. These are the normal ones. As you can see, the Legend of Neverland Global has its own set of stickers that are blocked. I can't use them on this server because it's not the server. But if I go to the server itself, and I click on stickers, you can see that I will be able to use the stickers. Now you can also buy sticker packs if you want from the store, and if you're using Discord Nitro, you have access to way more stickers than anybody else. And that's it. That is how to do it. Now as you can see, you have a lot of stickers. That's just it.